Alright, what's up everybody? Got my dual camera set up and I'm just trying to test it out, but it's starting to rain outside and it's rush hour and I just don't want to deal with it. So I want to see how this works out running the audio off of that camera right there that's on my handlebars. That would be my GoPro Hero 3 on the handlebars, and so it doesn't have super view or anything like that. And then on my chin, I have the GoPro Hero 4 Plus Black that has the better camera footage. And what I didn't like is the GoPro audio pack. It made it too bulky up here. So what I wanted to do was make it a little more bearable and use my old setup. Do this. Okay. It's getting very humid, just sitting there with the helmet closed, but I want to make sure the sound was okay. So, just messing around with things and just having trouble breathing in the helmet. So, I'm doing a quick test and wanted to see how this works out and how easy it's going to be to blend and synchronize. And then, we'll see how it goes. And I'm trying to improve my channel a little bit, so we'll see what happens here. I just wanted to run a quick test. Talk to you later. Bye.